Welcome to TechAliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix black screen problem on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, I'm gonna show you two ways of how to fix it. The first one is to just go to your keyboard and click on Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on the left side of the keyboard. And then, you'll be presented with your task manager. Then from here, just expand this. Then, make sure to go to Processes. Then from here, just click on Run a New Task. Then in here, type the name of the new task. In our case, it's gonna be explorer.exe and click on OK. Then just wait, and there you go. Your problem has been fixed. And if that didn't work for you, what you can do is just go to your keyboard, press on Ctrl, Shift, Windows plus B together, and this will reset the graphics driver of your PC. And basically that is how to fix the black screen problem on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.